City of Ilocos, Isabela. Church, World Missionary Evangelism Incorporated. Brother Marvin E. Bautista from number 54 Magna Street, Santa Maria, Mabalagan, Pangasinan. Church, Jesus Christ, Holy Temple. Next we have Sister Cecilia on Eugenio from Morondos, Barangay Nampalan, Santa Ignacia. Next we have Pastor Edwino P. Salado from Parma, Gumabon, Nueva Ecija. Church, Delta Family Walk with Faith in Jesus Ministries Incorporated. And lastly, for Bachelor of Arts and Biblical Studies, we have Pastor Jerome P. Santos from Zone 7 Santo Niño Church, San Jose City, Nueva Ecija. Church, Palestina Paul Gospel Church, Saloma. And now we come to the Southern Ministerial Diploma. First we have Sister Vilmaros T. Aguban from Porong Tana, Biak, Tabuk City. Church, Jesus, Our Good Shepherd, Global Outreach Incorporated. Next we have Sister Joanna Christine P. Baldurano from Tranquilo Home, San Jose, Tarlac City. Church, United Cultures of America, Temple of God. Next we have Brother Marvin E. Bautista from number 54 Magna Street, Santa Maria, Mamandan, Pangasinan. Church, Jesus Christ, Holy Temple. Next we have Sister Cecilia on Eugenio from Morondos, Barangay Nampalan, Santa Ignacia, Tarlac. Church, International Jesus Christ City Mission. Next we have Sister Esther E. Gabriel from Nampalan, Santa Ignacia, Tarlac. Church, Christ Footprints International Christian Church. Next we have Brother Kerwin P. Gago from San Luis Vicente Dinalanan, Pangasinan. Church, Sabon Pentecostal Church. Next we have Pastor Noli O. Montepato from Inuman, Cosurubio, Pangasinan. Church, Believing Assembly of Jesus Christ Ministry Incorporated. And also we have Sister Imani Simulan from Tindahan Central Family Tarlac First Baptist Church Family Sanglay. And also for the Standard Ministerial Diploma, we have Sister Michelle B. Ramos. And for the Pusimos Award, it's awarded to Pastor Jason Atnek for the Bachelor of Arts in Biblical Studies.